Hi guys, okay, so today I filmed this green halo like smoky eye. I did do another type of halo eye and I think I still will do it. I posted it on my Snapchat, but I just was not in the mood to use those colors. I really wanted to use green today. So let me know down below if you still like to see that tutorial on that eyeshadow look. But yeah, so I did this green smoky eye and I'm really liking it a lot, which is like a clear new glossy lip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and on to the tutorial. Okay, so for the first color, I'm going to take Fawn by Anastasia. I'm going to use that as my first like transition color. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia brush that usually comes in their like eyeshadow kits and stuff like that. And I'm going to use that as my first transition color. So for my base, I've already just applied my MAC Studio Fix Concealer in NW45, I believe. No, NW40, I'm sorry, as my base. And then I just set it with some setting powder. Okay, so for the next color, I'm going to go in my Tartlette Palette and I'm going to take the color Dreamer. It's this color right here. No, I'm lying. I'm going to take the color, yeah, Dreamer. Dreamer is this one right here. That's what it's called. It's called Dreamer, but I was pointing to this one and it's this one right here. And I'm going to just take a, what is this? I believe this is a, who is this by? BH Cosmetics, just regular blending brush, and insert this in my crease and buff it out. Going back in with the Anastasia brush just to make sure I don't have any harsh lines, and then just going back and forth with those two colors. Then I'm going to go in with a even darker color, that color that I pointed to the first time. I'm going to go in with that, and that's Multitasker from the Tarte palette as well. And I'm going in with an even smaller brush, and this is the Luxie Small Taper Blending Brush, but I am going to switch into the 227 brush once I apply this right into my crease. So now going into my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take that dark green color and pack it on my inner and outer corners. I'm going to try to bring them two together. Like so. And then I'm going to take another BH Cosmetic brush. This is a different one. As you can see, this one is all beat up. And I'm going to blend that out. And I'm just going to keep going back in and packing that shadow on my lid. So for to do the like halo eye, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer, and I'm using Porcelain by LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I put it on the back of my ashy hand. And then I'm going to use the Anastasia brush. So I'm going to just put some right in the center of my eye and look up, and then wherever it stops, that's where I'm going to begin to cut my crease. Okay, so I'm just going to let that dry a little bit. And then I'm going to begin to use this green color right next to the green color that I used. So I used this one right here to for the green, and then I'm going to use this on top of that concealer. So right underneath that, I'm going to use the color Chic from Anastasia. This color right here. And then I applied some of this Tarte glitter on top. So now I'm just going to do my liner, and then I'll be back to show you my face. Okay, so I'm sorry, I just went ahead and finished just the rest of my makeup, but I will tell you everything that I used on my face. So for my foundation, I used the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear. This has to be like my second favorite foundation. If I'm not wearing like my Makeup Forever foundation, then 9 times out of 10 this is what I'm wearing. I also like the stick form of it, but I mean, they're pretty much, if you like a more natural finish, then I would definitely recommend the stick form, and the stick form comes with a contour that I love. But if you like a little bit more buildable coverage, and when I'm doing like a full glam, then that's when I like this. But if I'm just doing like an everyday look, I really like the stick foundation. But yeah, I use this one right here. For my highlight, I use MAC's Whisper of Guilt, and this came in their holiday collection. Not 2017, I believe 2016. I honestly forgot that I had it in my that I actually had it. So that's that. For my blush, I use MAC's Swiss Chocolate that looks like this. I use Swiss Chocolate, and I mixed in just a little bit of Raizin right here. These are like 2 of my go-to blushes. Swiss Chocolate gives you more of a natural finish if you don't want to have blush. And then of course you guys know Raizin. Raizin is just like a cult chocolate girl friendly favorite. So yeah, what else? Of course, I said with my Laura Mercier powder and all that other jazz. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do my lip. For my lip, I'm actually just going to do like a little bit of gloss and a liner. I do have a natural or neutral lip video coming up. Like my favorite lip combinations that I'm going to do for you guys. Actually, it's weird because just because I want to film this video, a lot of my favorite lipsticks I just can't find. Like, it's just super weird how I wear these lipsticks all the time and now I can't find them. So yeah, I know 1 or 2 of them I might have to order again, but yeah. This is just Espresso. Yes, Espresso by NYX, and I'm going to mix in just a little bit of this darker one. And this is Black and Brown. And I'm going to take this lip gloss right here. It's actually from Forever 21. Yeah. I love the color of it, but it's just super sticky. And then I'm going to mix it in with this NYX one. So I'm just going to take a little bit of Honey Love and put it in the center. So yeah, I've already set my face. So yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Let me know other makeup tutorials that you'd like to see down below. I'm really feeling like the glam right now. I do natural looks all the time. If I'm not full glam, then I'm pretty much not wearing eyeshadow at all. I have my days where I want neutral, but right now I'm just like, oh, I want to do like glitter looks and things like that. I want to have fun. I don't want to just always just do browns and neutrals and stuff like that. So yeah, if you have any color combinations you'd like to see or suggestions that you'd like to see, let me know. Let me know down below and I will try to recreate them for you. You can also send me inspiration pictures on Instagram. I have all my Instagram or Snapchat information listed down below as well. As always, don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave other suggestions of videos that you'd like to see down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.